Today's homework is solving word problems using tape diagrams and fraction by fraction multiplication. We're going to do homework problem number 1, which is a word problem. Anthony bought an 8-foot board. He cut off 3/4 of the board to build a shelf, and he gave 1/3 of the rest to his brother for an art project. How many inches long was the piece Anthony gave to his brother? Well, we will start off by stating that we need to draw a tape diagram, and that tape diagram, the whole thing is 8 feet. We know that since he cut off 3/4 of the board, I say in C fourths, so I'm going to put my piece of tape into fourths. I'm going to section off 3/4 of them. This 3/4 right here, this represents for the shelf. These 3. Okay? Now, obviously, since I know it's in fourths and the whole thing's 8, I know that each one of these is 2 feet. So I can add that to my tape diagram. Now, if we're focusing on the rest, we're focusing on this piece right here. So we're going to redraw the rest, or the leftovers. That's what's left. That's the leftovers. And we know that 1/3 of that is for an art project for his brother. So now, since I hear thirds, I'm going to take what's left and I'm going to put that into thirds. And I know that if I have that in thirds, I know that 1/3 of the rest, so this one little part right here, that one little part is for the art project. So I'll put art right there. How many inches long is the piece that Anthony gave to his brother? We have to figure out what that is. So that's our question mark. So if I'm trying to figure out what I'm giving to the brother here, okay, I need to figure out first, I have to take this 2 feet and make it 24 inches. And since these are in thirds, I'm going to take the 24 inches and I'm going to divide it by 3. And the reason why I'm going to do that is I will get 8 inches. Now that tells me that each one of these is 8 inches. And that's the answer. When I'm looking for how many inches long was the piece Anthony gave to his brother. So they asked for it in inches. I changed it to inches. I did my division, and that's how I got my answer. So as you can see, I have a tape diagram and some math in order to figure that out. Anything I missed? I also need to, mathematically, I need to write down that I had 4 units because I divided it in fourths. I had 8 feet total. And then 1 unit equals 2 feet. I need to show this to represent my tape diagram as well. So that's all the work that needs to be shown, and that's the tape diagram that needs to be shown to go with it.